Altcoin has just been rejected from resistance. Does this now mean we need to head for lower price targets, or is it a cooling off before another attempted breakout? We're going to break down exactly what's happening. Why is the market just giving up the gains over the last couple of hours? What is at play? I'm going to break it down and a lot more. If you appreciate these updates, don't forget to smash the likes. Do not forget to subscribe. For those of you asking, where do I trade my moves? You can do so on Bybit, on BitGet, and Mexi. Those are the three platforms I recommend, I work with. Links in the description. Those are affiliate links which support the channel if you choose to trade, and you get some amazing bonuses and discounts on your fees. Let's now jump straight in here. You can see yesterday a big candlestick, 5% up here on Bitcoin. But what caused that, right? We caused that because we broke through a very important resistance. When you break through resistance, guess what happens at resistance? You have people sitting there, shorts, sitting there trying to snipe the price action. As soon as you can push through with big volume, with big strength candle, you start to liquidate those. That is exactly what we saw yesterday. Today, we saw that continue. Another mounted attack up toward these levels here. You can see we moved as high here. Today, on today's daily candle, it's 67.9, almost 68K today. But more importantly, we broke out of the flag. Momentarily, we wicked outside of this flag, only to dump moments later. Let's drop down to the 4-hourly chart so you can see exactly what happened. Let's even drop down to the hourly. Look at this. Big hourly candle breaking through the level and then boom, dumping it all back down again with a bearish engulfing candle. Let's jump on over to the stock market to understand what's going on. You can see the S&P has fallen from records as Nvidia, obviously the biggest player in the market right now, leading chip stocks, lower. There's a little bit of worries around some of the chip plays. You can see Dux Semiconductor, ASML, tumbled 11%, and then of course Nvidia will follow in motion as well. But to take this, quite simply and to understand what's going on, we're still in a strong position, guys. I don't want anyone panicking because of that crash a couple of hours. I mean, look at the pattern here. Strong move off the EMA ribbon, mounting an attack here. This is really good. If it wants to come back down to get some strength, no problem whatsoever. Just come back down here, touch some support, start creating higher lows, and off you go. Break out of this pattern, because ultimately, this is the pattern that's going to take us to the promised land, right? This is what's going to take us to Bitcoin at 80K, 100K, etc. Let's also touch upon Fantom. Fantom continues to buck the trend here today, having a really, really powerful day. I mean, Fantom today went as high as almost breaking through 79 cents, now sitting at 76.5 cents. Really, really strong. This is a coin we've spoken about couple of weeks ago. I said, guys, it's got to get past this control line. This control line around 79, 80 cents is going to be an important battle for Fantom. I mean, let's just extend this line so you guys can see. This is the line I'm showing you here. This white line, this is where you need to be worried about. Let's extend that out here so you can see. This is going to act as resistance here. It's exactly where that wick has just got rejected from, right? No surprise. Very important support resistance level. Once we break through it, might take a couple of turns, might need a couple of turns, but once we get through it and retest and hold it, off we can start heading up to $1.22 on Fantom. Really excited about Fantom. Make sure you go watch my update videos on Fantom explaining why I'm so bullish this project. I mean, we're also seeing a meme ecosystem on Fantom. If you've not seen my tweet at ReallyJaza1, bunch of people are telling me to get my goggles on. So goggles is a big meme coin on the Fantom ecosystem. Also, you got the likes of THC as well. Definitely check out the Fantom meme ecosystem. I've even done a video on this. And if you want me to an updated top 3 meme coins on Fantom video, then let me know Fantom meme in the comments below. And if there's enough of you guys commenting that about Fantom, I'll go ahead and spin up that video for you guys. So most altcoins now are trending to the downside, given that Bitcoin is dumped. Look, Bitcoin's flat on the day, right? Not too shabby. Yes, we ran up towards 68,000. Now we're sitting at 66. It's okay. Altcoins are moving slightly here to the downside. Ethereum down 2%. Like I shared with you, Fantom bucking the trend. Casper down 3.6. Cardano down 2.3. 2.9 down for Doge. Let's see if any of these meme coins are moving to the upside. Bonk is down 3% today. Floki down 4%. Slurf on the Solana ecosystem down close to 10%. Pepe down 4.7%. Am I worried? Absolutely not. I mean, this market is super bullish right now. If you're not, again, go follow him on Twitter, because I posted down the breakdown on what Larry Fink at BlackRock just had to say. I mean, he can't stop speaking positively about Bitcoin right now. The suits are here to stay. This crypto market is not the same market as what we've seen previously. This market is mature. This market is ready to break records. And I think the fact that people are still sleeping on crypto is what's going to make this next bull market so explosive. Because remember, if you want to have powerful impacts in a bull market, you need to have really down and depressed bear markets. You need to have periods where people really give up hope on Bitcoin, because that's what makes the powerful FOMO kick back in when everybody goes, oh look, Bitcoin's running, right? And we're starting to see that. You're seeing the Google trends for the term Bitcoin go down to like 3-4 year lows. I mean, the interest is starting to wane, and that always happens, guys, when Bitcoin is consolidating. And this has been one hell of a consolidation, a very, very long consolidation. Let's not also forget, we should be getting another rate cut soon, right? Every couple of months when we get that FOMC meeting, it's going to be another boost to ourselves as more money comes into the system, less tightening of monetary policy. Things are in our favor right now. This is a very different market to the one we've had to navigate for the last couple of years. Inflation out of control, scam Bankman-Fried, and all the stuff going on which we've lasted through. If you guys have managed to navigate the crypto market through that, props to you. Now it's going to get easier. Now you just need to stay the course, not get shaken out, not get bored, diversify your portfolio, grab your favorite altcoins, and hodl. It really doesn't need to be that complicated. Now, if you want to trade and you daily actively want to trade, then make sure you join me in my Telegram group. That's where we do the day trading, right? That's where we're doing our scalps. That's where we're doing our quick in and out, take profit, 10% here, 15% here. That's where we do that trading. For long-term buying, it's simple. Buy at the mean, buy when you see those dips, and you hold because you believe in those projects and you have unwavering commitment. You do not hold projects which you do not believe in for long periods of time. You can trade them, by all means trade them with a stop loss or with a take profit, with careful risk management. Go ahead and trade any coin you want. But for the ones you're holding, your do or dies, right? Those ones you need to have conviction in. So Bitcoin still looking strong here. Yes, we had a bit of a wicking candle here, but I expect us to show some strength. I mean, look, here, if it wants to come around here, it might want to use this point to use as its retest level. So it may just want to come down here, use that to retest, and boom, off we go. If it needs more of a pullback, no problem. Come all the way down. In fact, if you want to come all the way into your email ribbon, no problem. Knock yourself out, Bitcoin. As long as you continue to trend in the right direction and get us out of this pattern, that is what we're looking for here on crypto. So there you have it, guys. There's an update on why this market got violently rejected. Look, the fact of the matter is, whether it's the S&P, whether it's traditional finance or crypto, we are in a really good place. You got the S&P at record highs. You got inflation coming to the downside. You've got crypto, raring to go to break through 70,000 and head onwards and upwards. This is the time to be in the market. Don't be shaken out. Don't lose focus. We appreciate these updates. Smash up likes. Do not forget to subscribe. I told you guys, I'm going to be here making videos for you every single day, through thick, through thin, through bear markets, through bull markets. Not one of these channels that only comes and makes videos when the market's pumping. I'm here when it's going down to show you that I'm committed to this market, even when nobody else is. If you appreciate that, smash some likes. Do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.